Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can snooze a notification on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen you can swipe down at the top to open up the notification panel. With a notification, tap on it to expand the message, and you can see there is a snooze icon. Now if you do not see this snooze icon in the notification, that means you need to turn it on. To turn it on, tap on the settings icon at the top. Then we scroll down and tap on notifications. Then go down and tap on advanced settings. Then go down and make sure you switch on show snooze button. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once it is turned on, tap on the home button. Now swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. In the notification settings, in the notification panel, expand the notification and then tap on the snooze button. And this will allow you to choose how long you will snooze this app for. So tap on 15 minutes. This will snooze the app notifications from the app for 15 minutes. And then tap on save. And that's it. So this will now temporarily dismiss all the notification from the app for 15 minutes, after which time you will allow to receive notifications coming from the app again. So for now, for text messages, if you have snoozed that for a set period of time, during that time you will not be able to receive any notifications from the app. And that's it. That is how you can snooze a notification on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.